We were dancing down on Oak Street Lane, summer hearts inside a silver rain. You held my jacket close against the storm, like broken skies could still keep us warm. Neon lights were fading on your face, thunder rolling through the empty space. I saw goodbye before you said a word, some kind of silence louder than the world. And every raindrop falling from the sky felt like another reason not to try. We ended underneath the pouring rain, two shadow hearts washing down the drain. Your tears and thunder sounded just the same. Love disappeared without a name. Streetlights trembling on the avenue. I watch the storm take me from you. Now every cloud that rolls above remains like our last kiss beneath the rain. Coffee shop reflections on the glass, memories drowning while the taxis passed. Your footsteps fading slowly out of sight, like midnight leaving town before first light. I still hear your laughter in the storm, like an old record spinning one and one. But every road we built has washed away, river dreams disappearing with the gray. And every cold wind blowing through the dark still carries little pieces of my heart. We ended underneath the pouring rain, two restless souls tangled up in pain. Your trembling voice still echoes through my veins, like old train whistles calling through the rain. Streetlights shaking on the avenue. I watch the storm erase me from you. Now every cloud that rolls above remains like our last love beneath the rain. Maybe someday, when the skies turn blue, I'll stop hearing thunder next to you. But tonight the city cries our names in every falling drop of rain. We ended underneath the pouring rain, one last slow dance in heartbreak's chain. The night kept falling while you walked away and took the sunshine from my day. Streetlights fading on the air. brings me back.